naduk kashtarik kelalingkot 8,000 arfsau. Kasorkar Jela Meghalaya kala Pyntuid ba ka jing Pyntuid ki Jakhlia Jakhlaid nagi pankana ki wa bat ka jing snai ki septic tang ki bombyang kan sawan ra ka jing Daiñ Kuna ka basan spa tingka shisngi Lada ki try kimla ban penbet ya ka ni ka jing hapo shiposngi ya ka ni la Pyntuid do chief secretary jong ka Jela iba DP walang ha ka por ba ilakran hadin blawa ka jing lang halor ka jing pen ki imbyang bat pen khuit pen subai ki wa ki bakam kong san jong ka nong ba shalong kum ka wa umkra wa shirpi but wa ken hayojana bhavan hakasni thodi.
Since the last 1 week, we have imposed hefty penalty. In fact, anyone discharging directly into the rivers and anyone having faulty septic tanks and defective septic tanks, if they don't repair in 10 days time, fine will be imposed at the rate of 500 rupees per day. Not one time, 500 rupees per day till they seal the septic tank or they ensure that the discharge is not made directly into the water bodies.
Daga jing tmu ban kner shushu iki jing shakri